How to print documents from WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to print documents directly from WhatsApp. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the WhatsApp app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just go to the chat where the document was sent. And now here, you can just tap on the document files to download it completely. And once the download is finished, you can just tap on the document again to open it. And now here, once you have opened the document, you can just tap on the three dot icon which can be seen in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now from the pop-up menu, there you simply have to tap on the option labeled as print. And now here, once you have tap on it, you can simply tap on order printers and you can choose the printer from the list, and there you can make sure that your printer is connected properly either via the Wi-Fi or the Bluetooth. And with that, you can adjust the print settings needed, such as the number of copies, pages, and the orientation. And once everything looks okay, then you can just tap on print, and that's it. With this, your document will start printing right away. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.